Okay, let's just answer this question since yung Etsy shop country ko is Philippines and I've been traveling to other countries. So, ang question niya is, how about yung IP address niyo po pag in-access niyo yung Etsy shop from different country, okay lang po ba ma-detect na nasa ibang location? So, ako as an overthinker, syempre naisip ko na yan before pa ako pumunta sa ibang bansa. So, isi-share ko sa inyo yung conversation ko with Etsy support specialist. Minessage ko sila nung first week ng Feb 2024 kasi pumunta ako ng Vietnam that month and nagstay ako doon ng 1 month. So, ito yung question ko sa kanila. So, ito yung sabi ko, hi, just a question. My shop country is in the Philippines and I also live here. However, I will be traveling to other country this month. I would just like to ask if that would affect my shop. Is it not going to suspend my shop for using an IP address in other country? I will be traveling there for weeks, so I'm kind of worried. I'm not planning to use any VPN tools, so I would just like to ask about it. So, yan yung question ko and yun nga, hindi ako nagbi-VPN kasi pag lumalabas ako ng bansa and ito yung sagot niya. Sabi niya, thanks for the info that you would be traveling to a different country. This will not affect your store, but sometimes if you try to change like your bank account or some personal information as email address, it might going to affect because the system could take this as a hack to your account. So, basically, ang sabi niya lang is you can access your Etsy shop pero wag na wag kang mag-edit ng kahit na anong information mo like bank details, email address, shop name, basta wag kang mag-edit. You can add listings, you can edit your listings, pero wag kang mag-change ng any personal or shop information just to be sure and magiging okay naman yung shop mo. And yes, all of my Etsy shops ang country ay Philippines, even the print-on-demand shop. Okay? By the way, if you wanna be my student, pwede kayo mag-enroll sa Racket PH Academy ko where you can learn all about digital products and Racket PH platform. As of today, which is May 21, 2024, wala pa akong course specifically for Etsy pero yung mga tips and lessons ko doon sa course can be applied sa pagbebenta sa Etsy. Lalo na kung beginner ka talaga and hindi ka pa maalam sa mundo ng digital products, perfect yun para sa'yo at marami ka talagang matututunan. And hanggang May 31, 2024 na lang po yung price na 1,399. By June 1, magtataas na yan to probably 1,699 or 1,599, depende pa po. So mag-enroll na kayo, nasa bio ko lang dito sa my TikTok or sa IG Faye Desenilla. Yun lang.